X4G is a fast and modern VLESS tunnel gateway with a beautiful management dashboard. It allows you to create unlimited dedicated config links with traffic limits, QR codes, and fine-grained controls. Built with Python and FastAPI, X4G features VLESS over WebSocket and XHTTP tunneling, a built-in HTTP proxy, and real-time traffic monitoring. Deployment is incredibly simple. Just fork the repository on GitHub, then deploy it on Railway with one click. Enable a public domain, and your gateway is live. The dashboard lets you manage unlimited config links with per-link traffic limits in MB or GB. You can toggle links on and off instantly. Each link gets its own QR code for easy sharing. Advanced features include per-config uTLS fingerprint selection, custom ALPN settings, and configurable connection ports. You can also limit the number of concurrent IPs per config. All data is stored in memory by default. For production use, you can connect Redis or PostgreSQL for persistent storage. To get started, clone the repo, install dependencies, and run the application. Access the dashboard at localhost port 8000. Find X4G on GitHub at x4gking/x4g.